Hi, I'm Mama Giuliana. My tips today is how to use rigagnocchi. First of all, you need pasta. You roll the pasta, depends, you can make smaller or bigger. Usually this is made with potatoes and this is just flour and water. You roll, you put some flour and after you cut and you can start to use rigagnocchi. To use rigagnocchi first you cut small piece like this. You put some flour on, especially on your hand. With your thumb, just push and roll. You see all the stripe come out. And this empty cavity inside needs for the tomato sauce. It's really relaxing and you will enjoy it a lot with this one. The small one we can try now. You will see they're really nice, the small one. The gnocchi also is very easy to cook because just you put in the water and once they come up, they're ready. You use the same things, just push and roll. Depends always to use some flour. Really very nice to prepare and especially it's very relaxing. You can sit down like this and you just go with the pasta. And it's very, you will enjoy it. That's all. So remember this is a rigagnocchi, striped gnocchi.
Black carpet, I'm in trouble. Black carpet, I see trouble.